as we spread leads and into the spirit. That's a wonderful brother friend. The founder of Mega Abattoir, Akko Benelo Korobe, Oka Agis that I want to lie. And again, a wonderful brother and blood. That's the most pretty of them all, the prettiest. Thank you so much for coming around. Thank you. We really appreciate you, sir. Okay, we're still saying hello to everyone. Very, very soon. Don't forget we have Teacher Steve on the wheels of steel. Thank you so much for that wonderful before. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please, I'm going to call my wonderful brother and friend, Barrister Zumi, to say a word of prayer to this event. A wonderful friend to Ike Jerusalem, and I also know that he's well trained when it comes to Christian. My brother, can we have you here for prayers? Thank you very much. Let's say a word of prayer before we start this event. As a barrister and also without the work of God. Okay, and please I want to be in the mood of prayer, so please, whatever you are doing, I want to pray now. My wonderful brother, thank you. We are